Hey guys, here's another problem. 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 whole to the power of 12 is what? So here's the solution. So let's bring down 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 whole to the power of 12. For this, we can let m be equal to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. Therefore, that is m to the power of 12 is what? Now we have m equals 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. We can cross multiply this. Let's put over 1. Now, m times 2, that is 2m, equals 1 plus square root of 5 times 1, that is 1 plus square root of 5. Next is we can take 1 to the other side. So this is now 2m minus 1 equals square root of 5. Now, we need to remove the radical by squaring both sides. So this is square and this is square. So this is now 2m minus 1 whole to the power of 2 equals the square and the radical is cancelled. So we're left with 5. Now for this 2m minus 1 whole to the power of 2, we can write it as 2m minus 1 times 2m minus 1, then equals 5. Now let's multiply using the FOIL method. So 2m times 2m for the first, that is 4m squared. For outer, that is 2m times negative 1, that is negative 2m. For inner, that is negative 1 times 2m, and that is negative 2m. And last, that is negative 1 times negative 1, and that is positive 1, equals 5. Combine like terms, this is 4m squared minus 4m plus 1 equals 5. Now, we can take 5 to the other side so that this side will be equal to 0. So now this is 4m squared minus 4m plus 1 minus 5 equals 0. And this is 4m squared minus 4m plus 1 minus 5, that is minus 4 or negative 4. Because we need to subtract. They have different sign. Then equals 0. Now to continue, we can divide both sides by 4. So 4m squared divided by 4, that is m squared. Because we can cancel this. Next is negative 4m divided by 4, that is negative m. Because we can cancel also 4 over 4. Next, negative 4 divided by 4, that is negative 1. Equals 0 divided by 4, that is 0. For this, we can say that this is m squared equals positive m plus 1 because we take negative m minus 1 to the other side. And for this, we can consider as our equation 1. Again, m squared is equal to m plus 1. And we can use this later. Now, earlier we let m be equal to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. Thus, m to the power of 12 is what? So we need to solve this. We have m to the power of 12. For the power of 12, we can write it as to the power of 2 times 6. So this is now equals m to the power of 2 to the power of 6. Because 2 times 6 is 12. So we can write it as like that. Now, we have m squared. We know that m squared is equal to m plus 1. So therefore, if we replace, this is now equals m plus 1 whole to the power of 6. And for this, we can split the power of 6 into 2 times 3. And that is now equals m plus 1 to the power of 2 whole to the power of 3. And we can write this as m plus 1 times m plus 1 whole to the power of 3. Now let's multiply. This is equals, using the FOIL method, m times m, that is m squared, m times positive 1, that is positive m, Again, m squared is for our first. We use the FOIL method. And this plus m, that is our outer, m times 1. Now, for inner, we have 1 times m, that is positive m. For last, that is 1 times 1, that is plus 1. Then, don't forget, whole to the power of 3. Combining like terms, this is equals m squared, m plus m, that is 2m. So plus 2m plus 1 whole to the power of 3. Now, as you can see, we have m squared. We know that m squared is equal to m plus 1. So we need to change this. So m plus 1 plus 2m plus 1 whole to the power of 3. And this is now equals, combining like terms, m plus 2m, that is 3m, 1 plus 1, that is 2. So plus 2, then whole to the power of 3. For this, since this is a cube, we can split this into equals 3m plus 2 squared times another 3m plus, and there is a power of 1, which is constant. Now, to continue, we can write it as equals 3m plus 2 times 3m plus 2 times 3m plus 2. Then, for the first two, we can multiply this using the FOIL method. So this is now equals FOIL. First, 3m times 3m, that is 9m squared. Outer, 3m times 2, that is plus 6m. Inner, 2 times 3m, that is plus 6m. Last, 2 times 2, that is 4. So plus 4 times 3m plus 2. Let's combine like terms. So this is equals 9m squared plus 6m plus 6m, that is 12m, plus 4 times 3m plus 2. Now, you can see m squared. So we need to change this into the value of equation 1, which is m squared equals m plus 1. So this is now equals 9 times m plus 1 plus 12m plus 4 times 3m plus 2. And then this is equals 9 times m, that is 9m. 9 times 1, that is 9. So plus 9. Then plus 12m plus 4 times 3m plus 2. Combining like terms equals 9m plus 12m, that is 21m. 9 plus 4, that is 13. So plus 13 times 3m plus 2. Now we can multiply this using the FOIL method. So for first, 21m times 3m, that is 63m squared. So equals 63m squared. For outer, 21m times 2, that is 42m. So plus 42m. Next, for inner, 13 times 3m, that is 39m. So plus 39m. Next, for last, 13 times 2, that is 26. So plus 26. Now, you can see m squared again. So we need to change this into m plus 1. So this is now equals 63 times m plus 1 plus 42m plus 39m plus 26. Now let's multiply. This is now equals 63 times m, that is 63m. 63 times 1, that is 63. So plus 63. Plus 42m plus 39m plus 26. Now let's combine like terms. We have 63m, 42m, and 39m. This is equals, that is 144m. And then 63 plus 26, that is 89. So plus 89. Now next is, you can see m. We have the value for m, which is 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. Now you can see m here, and earlier we let m be equal to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. So we use this right now. So equals 144 times 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 plus 89. So now let's multiply. That is equals 144 times 1, that is 144. And then 144 times positive square root of 5, that is positive or plus 144 times 5. Then all over 2 plus 89. And then for this is equals 144 divided by 2, that is, and then this is equals 144 divided by 2, that is 72, plus 144 square root of 5 divided by 2, that is 72 square root of 5, then plus 89. Now for this, we can add 72 and 89, and that is equal to 161 plus 72 square root of 5. And this is our final answer. So now, this is the equivalent of m to the power of 12. So we write here, m to the power of 12 equals this, 161 plus 72 square root of 5. And we know that m to the power of 12, earlier we let m be equal to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. So now let's change m into this, 1 plus square root of 5 over 2, whole to the power of 12, equals 161 plus 72 square root of 5. And this is our final answer. And that's all for today. For more exciting videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to Fun with Maths.